Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page in HTML. First, let's lay the groundwork. Every great landing page starts with a clear purpose. Then, we'll set up the fundamental HTML5 document structure, including the doc type, head, and body. Remember to add a viewport meta tag for mobile devices and link your external CSS style sheet for all your design needs. Now, let's focus on the content that converts. Your headline, typically an H1 tag, should immediately grab attention. Follow this with concise, benefit-driven body text that explains your offer. The most crucial element is your call to action button. Make it visually prominent and use clear, actionable language like "Get started" or "Learn more" to guide your visitors. Collecting information is key for many landing pages, so let's add a form. Use appropriate input types for fields like email or phone number to enhance user experience. Equally important is responsiveness. Your landing page must look and function perfectly on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Employ CSS media queries to achieve this and test thoroughly across different screen sizes. Before going live, optimization is crucial. Compress images to ensure fast loading times, which significantly impacts user experience and search engine ranking. Validate your HTML and CSS to catch any errors. Rigorously test every link and form submission to confirm everything works as expected. Finally, deploy your polished landing page to your web server for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.